How to earn money by NFT. NFT stands for non-fungible token, which is a type of digital asset that represents ownership of a unique item or piece of content, such as a digital artwork or collectible. One way to earn money with NFTs is by creating and selling your own digital artwork or other unique digital items as NFTs on a marketplace such as OpenSea, Rarible, or Super Rare. Another way to earn money with NFTs is by buying and reselling NFTs at a higher price. Because the value of NFTs can fluctuate rapidly and can be quite volatile, some investors buy and hold NFTs with the expectation that their value will increase over time. Please note that the value of NFTs can fluctuate rapidly and can be quite volatile. As with any investment, you should do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before buying or selling NFTs. Best platform where I can earn money by NFT. There are several platforms where you can buy, sell, and create NFTs. Some popular platforms include OpenSea, one of the largest and most popular NFT marketplaces. OpenSea allows users to buy, sell, and create a wide variety of NFTs, including digital art, collectibles, and more. Rarible, a marketplace for buying and selling NFTs. Rarible allows users to create and sell their own digital art and collectibles. It also offers a built-in wallet and token minting tools. Super Rare, a curated platform for digital art. Super Rare is a great option for artists looking to showcase and sell their work as NFTs. Nifty Gateway focuses on limited edition drops from well-known artists, musicians, athletes, and celebrities. Known Origin focuses on digital art and artists and allows them to showcase and sell their work as NFTs. Foundation, a marketplace that allows creators to mint and sell NFTs and also offers a built-in wallet. It also has a curated collection of digital art. These are some examples of popular platforms, but there are many other options available as well. It is recommended to do your own research and find the platform that best suits your needs.